Okay, I'm going to show you how you can create a custom sales pipeline for your business super fast right here inside our proprietary CRM software. So what you're going to do is when you have access to this, go to your business account, go down to settings. Underneath settings, you'll see this pipeline over here on the left. You'll click on pipelines, you'll say create new pipeline. And we're going to create a sales pipeline because we want to track our customers from the first time that they fill out a form all the way through to the end of the deal so we can track our return on investment. So typically, what does a pipeline look like? Well, we've got new leads. And then typically we have that area of people that need to be followed up with. So we'll say our follow-ups. These are people that are show interest. Maybe we call them hot leads. People that have shown interest after the original touch point. We could call them hot leads if we wanted to. Then I suggest just going with that simple sales process that I showed you earlier. Consult, propose, and close. Or you can say booking or booked or proposed or closed, like that. And that's how you create a sales pipeline. Hit save. Okay, awesome. But what does that mean? Well, if you come back here to your main dashboard, we come over to opportunities. This is where you view your pipeline. And once it loads, you can now see our custom pipeline is right here. It says sales pipeline, new leads, follow-ups, consult, propose, close. Awesome. Now, when deals come into the pipeline, let's create a fake deal. Let's say that, let's just call him John Doe because that's easy. And we'll call him JD at JD.com. And that's good enough. You just need an email and an opportunity name. We'll say, call the opportunity name John Doe's Business or John Doe's House. And our lead value, let's say that we're a roofer again and we are selling a roof. So let's say it's like a $12,000 roof, small house, 10 squares. So, and you can assign it to your staff and you can say where it came from. If you talk to John Doe at a networking event, put it in there. If he came through the website, it'll automatically be in there from that 5-minute follow-up. It'll say website form or whatever you set that to say. Now you have an opportunity here in your sales pipeline. Hey, he came in, he's looking for a roof. He thinks it's going to be about $12,000. Okay, great. So the automation runs, gets him to book a time with your sales rep. So in the hot leads, you call him, you set up the time, get it good. Okay, he's booked. Now the representative goes out there, he pulls out the app on his phone. After he's done, he adjusts the numbers, pulls it right up and says, okay, I actually looked at the roof. Roof was going to be a lot more than I thought it was going to be. There was a lot more damage. We got, fascia and siding to do along with it. So I'm thinking it's going to be more like $32,000. Great. So he just updates it, puts it in there. Awesome. It's updated. Now when the customer gets back with the check and it's signed, he's got that proposal out there. You can see right here you've got this amount of money out. As you have a ton of these in here, it's nice to track your deals. And then when your salesperson closes the deal, you've got check in hand, it's in the bank. You can move them over to closed, and you can even run an automation off of here to send John's information off to your fulfillment team so that they can get started on doing his project or giving him his service or shipping his item or whatever it is for your business. And that's a simple sales process managed in a pipeline. It gets crazy when you have a lot of leads. Imagine having 300-400 leads in a file cabinet and being able to just search for them and move them around, click and drag like this. And that's how you set up a sales pipeline in less than 5 minutes.